Hi everybody, it is Flipflopmountaineer welcoming you back for another homestead hack here from my homestead in Tennessee, where today I'm gonna make your place shine. We are gonna make some solar mushroom lights on a budget for between $3 and $5 a piece. So you're gonna wanna stick around to see how you can make solar mushroom lights for your outdoor space. To make these lights, we're going to need a couple things that you may already have at your place, but let's go through our list here. This is solar lights. Who does not have solar lights out in your yard? These are easy to find, easy to come by. These I picked up for $14.99. It comes in a box of 10. I had a coupon, so it was a little bit less than that. And then these items I found at a local thrift store. This you may have laying around and you don't even know it. This was probably on either a light fixture or a ceiling fan, and I got those for $1 a piece. I got different shapes, different sizes for our mushroom light project. This one's my favorite. Looks just like a mushroom, but it's probably a pendant light in somebody's house. And then this is something you may not have thought of. This goes over a candle, and this is already painted. Isn't that cool? So this is going to become a mushroom light outside. So I just want to show you how easy it is to find things you already have on hand to make these. And then the other thing you're going to need, of course, are your paints. I had acrylic paints already and a paintbrush. So let's get started. Let's make our mushroom solar lights, and let me show you how easy it is to make these on a budget. right, before we show you the finished product, I need your help. I need your comment. I need for you to let me know what you think of this idea and the other ideas that I've brought to you. This is our solar mushroom light idea, and we're gonna have more homestead hacks coming from Flip Flop Mountaineer, but I need for you to let me know what you like. So please comment right now. Take a minute to like and subscribe. It helps me greatly. Now let's see what our solar light mushroom project looks like. All right, guys, as these guys are drying, I just have one more thing, one more hint that I might want to mention that will help you to preserve your designs. On my designs here, if I take some clear spray to go over the top, that is going to preserve these designs out in my garden for a longer time. I'm not going to do that today simply for time's sake, but I just wanted to let you know these are worth preserving. So if you want to buy a clear spray to put over the top, you can buy that at your local craft store, Walmart, anywhere you shop. So let's see what the finished product looks like. Let's see those mushroom lights and how they light up your garden space. All right, guys, our mushroom painted lamps should be dry, and I've already put together my solar lights. I did this while the mushrooms were drying just to save time, so that you can see just how easy it is to make a beautiful mushroom light display for your outdoor landscape. So all you're gonna do now, these are dry, so I'm gonna take this top and I'm gonna set it right on my solar light, and that is just how easy it is. Now I have this psychedelic mushroom light that's gonna light up at night outside in my landscape. And I want you to see what the final product looks like. And this is another homestead hack from Flip Flop Mountaineer. Please like and subscribe.